Akashdeep Eye Hospital 3 months ago to take my oculoplastic and anterior segment training. I would like to share my experience with you. Professional involvement and growth have been incredible. I have observed new surgical techniques and I have learned too much from Drs. Kunal Patil. It has been 3 months of learning and challenge. I'm very grateful to make this experience, and if you can do it, it will be not only a professional experience, it will be a personal experience too. So just do it. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be part of Akashdeep family.
Thank you.